guys, so today I did a drugstore full face. Now the palette that I used wasn't drugstore per se, but it is drugstore price, $16. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching, guys. Okay guys, never mind the fireworks and all that jazz. If you can hear it, don't you just love 4th of July? Anyway, going in with this Flower Pore Perfect Instant Blur Stick plus Multitasking Foundation. Yo, let me just tell you how much I like this. Like when I used it today, I was like, what? Look at that, blurring everything. I couldn't believe it. Look at that. Oh, and this is one of those things, guys, from the drugstore. If you don't use it, you won't know. And then I just pretty much tried to tap it in. Not that that making any difference, but I was just pleasantly surprised. Like this went on so easy. I saw blurring, like where are the pores at? Where are the pores at though? Let's try the foundation. Now this foundation is in 50 Mocha, a stick foundation at the drugstore, guys. I think Maybelline just came out with a super stay one. So where am I going with these hoops in my ears and applying foundation? You see that? That's the kind of yellow I want in my life. When I saw it today, I was like, yes, my shade. Where am I going? I'm gonna use this buffing brush to just buff that all out right into my skin, guys. Like I love this. You're just so beautiful, girl. Let me not. I completely forgot that I said I was going to color correct. I need to just have that out here. Like, anybody else have that problem? This is how that looks, and I pretty much like that. I don't even have to go in with that. I did go in with another one today, but honestly guys, it didn't make a huge difference. Like it's not gonna go full coverage. I think this is like a medium coverage. Let's see about this Infallible let's see about this Infallible Pro Glow Girl, and this one is in Cream Cafe. Did do my nose today. God, I should have done a video today, but I don't know why when I put this on, it's like it starts burning my eyes. Like, what's up with that, L'Oreal? What's going on? But it does burn my darn nose. I mean my eyes. Jeez Louise, what's wrong with me? And look at this applicator. Oh, straight line. Maybelline powder. I keep using it because sometimes I like it and sometimes I don't, but I think using it with a brush instead of a sponge is more my speed. Like that is such a nice finish. I like that. This is the Precision foundation brush. So what y'all did for 4th of July? It's 4th of July now, but this is obviously gonna be published after. So like, comment and let me know like what y'all do. Like, ever since I've been here, I haven't really done anything on 4th of July, but just go outside and look at fireworks. Like, what do you guys do on 4th of July? Just stamp that all over the face and then blend out. I'm using this reddish powder just to help to Casper. I'm just using this powder to just help to blend out the lightness of this powder. So now that we have the face set up like a soul, looking like a Casper, smile. Pretty much what I did to the nose earlier, and it did come out a little bit snort. I only used this shade. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. This is such a nice shade. Or is it the foundation? I don't know. It's such a nice shade. And I loved it. I did remember liking it, you know, back then when I had this. At first, I didn't understand why I wasn't liking it the other day. Hi. I did go ahead and do this look off camera because I was reviewing this little baby right here from Bad Habit, the Fantasia palette. So if you want to see the review on this, just go ahead and click this link right here. Get onto it because it's banging or whatever. Like, I like it. So I just went ahead and put the Maybelline Total Temptation on, and then since I'm not gonna put lashes on, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my bottom lashes with the L'Oreal Voluminous Base. I wanna go ahead and prime my bottom lashes because I ain't got none. Wiggle that on, actually. I'm just grabbing them from underneath, like, look. Like, that's how tiny the wand is. I can do that. And since we're here serving you realness with the Bad Habit palette, as I told you, I put that on my eyes. Let's serve some other realness with the Rosé palette. So I'm gonna go in with Bubbly, which is that shade right here.